What is up, guys? Welcome to another day, another episode here, another another swap. Today, I'm going to be taking off the front and rears of these Diablo Rosso 3s for a much stickier compound. We're going to be swapping them out with these beautiful Supercorsa V3s. I am going to try to do more of a how-to swap these tires. I've done it once with my friend before, so I'll do my best to actually be able to give you guys more of a swap install. Most of you probably already know how to do it. This will be my first time doing it all by myself. So again, learning a lot on this channel. I'm doing fun little things to this bike. I did get a front pitbull stand to be able to do this swap on it, as well as got myself a fun goodie. I'll probably do a review on that as well. Anyways, thanks again for tuning in once again. Got more goodies coming. I got some GB covers I'll be installing soon. I'll do a little video on that, and that'll probably for the most part it for the bike as of now. That'll help me feel a lot more comfortable on the bike and doing what I need to do to go a little faster and maybe drag a knee. We'll see. Let's get to it. Using a 12mm socket to take out these two bolts right here. Should be those two, this big one in the center, and I believe I gotta take the two on the caliper on both sides of the bike to take this off. So took these out, loosened this bolt out. I believe I have to take these bolts out for the brakes, calipers, to be able to get that loose and come off. But we'll see. Guys, it's hot. We're in Texas, it's hot. All right, so took these two off in the front here, took the calipers off, and then once you loosen up the bolt on this side right here, you then take this guy out that was running through right in there. Just like that. there's the front. The rear, I believe, is fairly simple. Just have to remove this bolt, and I believe that's it. Only problem is I don't have that, so I'm probably gonna have to run to Home Depot, even though it's just there. Run back to Home Depot and get that tool. So we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, we're in Home Depot. We got a 32. See if it fits. A little bit of play, so we'll watch it. But that should do the job. So, a little of a struggle there. Didn't realize it was kind of gonna come off like that, but all I gotta do is take off one bolt there, this one down here, using a 32 mil, pop it off the other side. This big guy comes off, and then you just kind of gotta wiggle it out of there. Got the wheels off. Can't do anything with it yet today. All the shops are closed, so I gotta wait until Tuesday, currently Sunday. So we will pick up where we're leaving off here, and then we'll get these sweet Supercorsas on there. Just so you can see the difference. These two guys on the tires. That's difficult to do. It's way rounder. I know this was used, and it's got a lot more edge to them. So I'm excited to try these out. Street and track. I mean, track. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be fun. What is up, guys? Welcome back. It is now Tuesday. It's been a couple days. I was able to take my wheels to Cycle Shack, I believe it's called. Yep, Cycle Shack. And I now have the Supercorsas right there mounted on my wheels, and I will be reinstalling them back on my CBR. So it's fairly simple to take off, and should be pretty simple to put back on, so we'll see what happens. So got the wheel back on. Right now, all I've done is picked it up, placed it, and put that big pin through here. Obviously goes through and on that side there. What I have to do now is put these two bolts right here, 1 and 2, and then of course the brake pad bolts back here. Apologies for the lawnmower guys. They come every Tuesday, and after they cut, they sit there and blow for hours and annoy everybody in the neighborhood. Just tightening it up. So now I got my torque wrench here. I'm going to tighten this one to what I believe is about 40 to 43 from what I read. So I did about 42, 41-ish. These little ones are going to be 16 foot-pounds for the front. Front calipers are set to 33. There's one. Perfect. Alright, so the rear is going to be, it's like easier and harder at the same time, or at least harder if you're only doing it by yourself. You've got one nice big bolt here that goes in this way. This thing, hella annoying, by the way.
A few moments later.
So after battling with it for, I don't know, 15 minutes and a broken back, not literally. That's it, boys and girls. Thanks for tuning in. Another episode here. Another little mod. I think the Supercorsas look pretty sick on this bike. Almost looks like it's just ready to go fast. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, please leave it down below. And of course, subscribe for more. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you.